Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand image compression for WebSpeed. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring your brand image compression for WebSpeed, gather all the images you want to optimize. Start by identifying the file formats of your images, such as JPEG, PNG, or SVG. Next, choose an image editing software or an online compression tool that suits your needs. If you are using image editing software, open the first image in your chosen program. Select the option to save or export the image, ensuring you choose the desired file format. Look for settings related to image quality or compression, and adjust these to balance quality and file size. For JPEG images, aim for a compression level of 60 to 80%, which usually provides a good compromise. For PNG images, consider using tools that can reduce the file size without losing transparency. After adjusting the settings, save the image and repeat the process for all other images you collected. If you opted for an online compression tool, upload your images directly to the site. Select the compression options provided by the tool, and initiate the compression process. Once the images are compressed, download them to your device. Review each image to ensure that the quality meets your standards after compression. Now, replace the original images on your website with these newly optimized versions. Finally, test your website's loading speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to confirm improvements. By following these steps, you will effectively restore your brand image compression for enhanced web speed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.